Before you say anything, yes, I know I may have went overboard, but we're just gonna look past that because this is a no judgment zone over here, okay? What's up, loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Courtneyb and I would like to welcome you here. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video, and I really appreciate it. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, hey girl, welcome back. So as you can tell by the title, today I will be doing my Sephora VIB Sale haul. I'm pretty sure I went overboard. Like, I think I went a little overboard because look, I have 2 online orders and then I went in store. Like, this is a lot, like a lot. So if you like to see what all I purchased from the Sephora VIB sale, just keep on watching. As you can tell, I have 2 Sephora boxes right here, and then I have a Sephora bag. So I guess we'll start. Alright, so I am a VIB Rouge, so I got to shop the sale May 2nd, which was a Thursday, and it ends May 6th, which is a Monday, which is tomorrow. So I made 3 total purchases. I went in store once, and then I made 2 online purchases. The in-store purchase and one of the online purchases was made by my boyfriend Ryan. It was our anniversary on the 2nd, and he took me to the Sephora VIB sale to pick me up whatever I wanted for our anniversary. So thank you, babe, for taking me, and I really enjoy my items. So let's get started with this bag first. Okay, so I turned my exposure down and my brightness down on my ring light, so hopefully the lighting isn't too wonky right now. So the first thing I picked up was the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, and I got mine in the grapefruit scent. And I did try this. I tried this when I first got it, and here's the packaging. And this right here is amazing. This isn't what I have on my lips right now, but this is so good. Like, it's so moisturizing, and it makes your lips look so good. And I really like the grapefruit one. I think I'm gonna go back and get me another one. I probably won't get it with the sale, but I'm probably gonna go back and get another one of these because this is just so good. I want to keep one in my purse and one in my car at all times. This is so good. So I love this. So the next thing I picked up is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter and Sunset Aurora. And the packaging on this is so pretty. And I'll go ahead and open it up so you can see. So this right here is the packaging. The packaging is pink with the ABH symbol on it. I'll be using this in a future tutorial if y'all want to see, but it's like so pretty. Can you see the color? And this was the one I was gonna get So Hollywood, but So Hollywood's kind of light, so I figured this one would be the best on my skin tone, and I'm super excited to try this. The next thing I picked up is a lipstick from Fenty Beauty, and I got the Matte Moselle Plush Lipstick in the shade Flamingo Acid. And this is the packaging right there. And when I seen the lip swatches on darker skin for this lipstick, I wanted it so bad because this shade right here is so pretty on dark skin. This is the packaging right here, and this is like a berry pink, I guess you would say, but this is gonna look so good. Like, this is so pretty, and it's gonna look bomb on like dark skin. This is so pretty, and I got the shade Flamingo Acid if I didn't tell y'all that already, but I cannot wait to wear this. And the last thing I got in my bag, I turned in 500 points, and I just got the Glam Glow Glow Squad mini set, and it comes with a super cleanse foaming cleanser, a super mud clearing treatment, a gravity firming treatment, and then a hydrating treatment, and all these are mini. So that is all from my in-store purchase from Sephora. Now let's get into these boxes. Honestly, this one box has just one thing in it because I tried to go in store and swatch the foundations, but my shade wasn't in store, so I had to go ahead and order it online. And I got the Too Faced Peach Perfect Matte Foundation, and I got mine in the shade Toffee. I thought Spice Rum was my closest shade, but actually this looks just like my skin. And I think I'm going to do a review on this because I've heard nothing but good things about it. And I want to test it out for myself. So this is the packaging right here. And it does come with a pump, which is great. But I cannot wait to try this. I'm going to do a review and wear test on this foundation, so be on the lookout for that. We're going to be going into our last box right here, and this box is packed full of stuff. Okay, so the first thing I got is the Sephora Collection Watermelon Cleansing Wipes. And I got these because I actually ran out of makeup wipes myself, and I wanted to try these. I wonder if they really smell like watermelon. They kind of smell like watermelon, but they just smell a little fruity. They just smell a little fruity. They don't smell like exactly like watermelon. Yeah, but I'm excited to try these. This is what I'm mostly excited about. I seen this online and I really wanted it. This is the Rio de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum set, and this is so cute. Like, it comes with a mini of the Bum Bum cream, a Brazilian Crush body mist, and then the shower gel. So this is the shower gel. It also comes with a mini mist and then a mini Bum Bum cream. I've never tried anything from their line before, and I hear nothing but great things about this Bum Bum cream, so I'm excited to try this. And this stuff smells so good. Like, I couldn't wait. I had to open it earlier. But it smells so good. So I'm excited to try that. And if y'all can get your hands on this set, go ahead and pick it up. I think it's a great value because I think it was like $20 or $25 if I'm not mistaken. And you get 3 of the deluxe samples, so that's pretty good. Next, I re-upped on my Believe True Cream Aqua Bomb. This right here is my favorite moisturizer ever. So I recently ran out of my other one, so I had to go ahead and stock up on another one. So I use it during the day and at night. So next I have the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And I did get the mini size because the regular size is $52. And I wasn't sure if I was going to like the primer or not. So I just decided to get the mini size and see if I like it. And if I do, I just go back and get the larger one. But here it is right here. And everybody raves about this stuff on YouTube. Like, everybody uses this. And I was like, I don't want to spend $52 on a primer. So I'm just going to test it out and see if I like it. I might do a first impressions on this, or like a wear test or whatever, to test this out and see if I do like it. So hopefully it doesn't make me too oily because my skin is hella oily. So I just want to try this out and see if it like blurs my skin the way everybody else says it does to theirs. So I'm excited to try this baby. For skincare, I did pick up the Ole Henriksen the Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner. And yes, my box is beat up. I don't know what happened in shipping, but this is the box right here. And I have been trying to get back into a skincare routine because I'm trying to lighten my dark spots because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation on my cheeks from like acne scarring and everything. So I've been trying to get rid of that the best I can and try and keep some of my acne under control because I've had acne since I was in elementary school. And it's gotten a little better over the years, but I'm just trying to lighten up my dark spots on my cheek area. So this is it right here. And everybody raves about this also. Like, I've been seeing all kinds of reviews on this toner, so hopefully it works for my dark spots. And I'm just hoping that it works because I've been trying to lighten up these dark spots for like forever. So hopefully this works, fingers crossed. And then next in the box, this was the most expensive thing that I bought this entire haul. Like, honestly, I hear nothing but great things about this cleanser right here, but it's hella expensive. This cleanser was $60 something. $60 something for a facial cleanser. And everybody raves about this. Andrew Renee talks about highly of this cleanser, and this is the Tata Harper Clarifying Cleanser, and it's for blemish prone skin. And y'all, I hope this works because I've been trying to find a cleanser that will help with my acne for the longest, and this better work for $60 something. This stuff better work. Ooh, it's a glass container. I'm accident prone, so hopefully I don't knock this off my counter. But this is the bottle right here. And hopefully this works for my acne, because like I have flare-ups every now and again. Y'all probably see right here I have one. Probably have a couple other places, but I've had bad acne since I was in elementary school, and they'll go away for a little bit and then they'll come back even worse than what it was before. And I'm just a girl trying to clear up her skin and have flawless skin for the summertime, because I don't have time to be looking crusted and dusted. My skin looking crusted and dusted all the time. Like I don't love myself. So hopefully for $60-something, this works right here. And then the last thing I got is another skincare product. I turned in 500 more points. And I got the Courtney French Naturals Favorites. This comes with a Vino Perfect it comes with a Vino Perfect Concentrated Brightening Essence, a eye cream, a Vino Perfect Radiant Serum, and a moisturizing sherbet. So this is all the things that come in that set. So I'm excited to try this because I've always wanted to try the essence from Courtney, but I didn't want to break down and actually buy it because it's hella expensive. But I'm excited to try this skincare set. So that is all that I purchased from the Sephora VIB sale. Yeah, I went a little ham. This is the most that I've ever purchased from Sephora at one time, or the most in like bulk form anyway. But I'm excited for all the products I got, and I hope y'all enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to subscribe down below and click that notification bell, and leave me a comment if you tried any of the products that I purchased, or let me know down below what you purchased also. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.